We're in Amsterdam Changes event and we're here with Joël Happé from Seal. He's actually the ambassador of Seal, is that right?
Yes, that's right. I'm a big believer and ambassador for Seal also. And it's really nice event today at Changes. You have all the blockchain industry here, blockchain talks, so it's really nice. Yeah.
Yeah, nice names, NAM, Pillar, Pivix, Lisk, but also Seal. You're here with a booth. Your private sale is still running, eh? Or public sale, must say.
Yes, we have the public pre-sale at the moment. It's still running. It's till the 12th of May. And till the 27th of May we have the public ICO. So
And
still, yeah.
yeah, you still, I mean, maybe you can explain in short what the idea of Seal is, just in a few sentences.
Yes, I will give the short version. So with Seal, what we do, we combine near-field communication with blockchain. So we add chips to products, for example, to a shoe, and you can scan the shoe with your phone because it has near-field communication. Then you can claim the product, you can see if it's a real product. That's the deal.
And the whole thing is to actually fight against counterfeiting.
Yes, fight against counterfeiters and also, yeah, counterfeiters, difficult word to pronounce. I also learned it along the way. So we fight counterfeiters, and also it's nice that you can sell your products on the second-hand market, for example, and create product trust, so your product retains a higher value on the market.
And you already got a few partnerships running?
Yes, what actually is really cool is that Deloitte nowadays actually also promoting us and pitching us in their presentation. So that's really nice. They are really selling the Seal product to their customers already, because of the customs and stuff. The laws with at the airports, you know, with fake goods that go to customs. So that's really nice solution. And also today we were in talks with the former vice president of Adidas, and he's actually interested to join our team even. So yeah, a little spoiler there, but yeah.
No problem. I mean, it sounds good. So, I mean, in the Holland, you're also quite known as a market. How do you say, market analyst of the cryptocurrency market. So maybe we can dive into that. Bitcoin is running up a bit. So, what are your thoughts on that, on the Bitcoin?
Yes, Bitcoin is really making his comeback nowadays. What you see is that the first quarter of the year was a little bit less pleasant, of course, because the market went down. But we see that a lot of times, and the second quarter of the year is usually a good one. So also this year again, you see everything is coming back up again. And I believe that in the first week of May, the Bitcoin price will be like $10,000. And at the end of the year, we will definitely reach, let's say, $30,000. I really believe that. Yes.
And you base that on technical analysis, or also maybe some things you hear in the scene itself.
Yeah, there's also fundamental things that you hear in the industry, like they are really improving also the protocol to make it more efficient along the way. But also there's a lot of demand nowadays for Bitcoin still. You see that in the market, and there are not too many Bitcoin tokens around. So yeah, the supply is limited and the demand is increasing. So the price, in the end, it has to go up basically. Yeah.
So it's only 4 million Bitcoins left. So get your Bitcoins now.
Yeah, that's basically, yes. You should be a salesman for Bitcoin. Yeah.
Okay, so and did you hear also that some institutional money is going into Bitcoin?
Yes, definitely. You also see it on LinkedIn, for example, that the big parties, big public figures are also asking for Bitcoin. They are buying Bitcoin actively. There are a lot of the over-the-counter deals, so to speak. So you have a lot of people buying Bitcoin, not necessarily on the exchanges because of the limited supply, but they're buying huge chunks from miners or from private investors. So yes.
Okay, and the second currency we can talk about is probably Neo. You're also quite a favorite of Neo. What are the expectations of Neo, I must say?
Yes, with Neo, what I really like is that they are really building the smart economy in China, and they are trying to incorporate all the new blockchain solutions from China. And I really like that approach. You also see that with Ethereum, that Ethereum price went up a lot because of all the ICOs that were running on it. And now with Neo, you get the same deal basically. So there, like Ontology was one recent example, and the next exchange is also coming. And yes, so all these ICOs, they increase the demand for the Neo token because you need this Neo token to participate in the new project. Yeah.
Yeah, China is still a country where ICOs are forbidden, so you don't see any problem there with Neo present?
No, not really, because there are also the people that want to invest, they also know ways around it, of course. But yeah, I don't really see a problem with that. No.
So you have a big bag of Neos.
Well, I'm favorable of that approach. Yes, you should have also some Neos in your portfolio. Yes, definitely.
Just to hold.
Yes, to hold for longer term. I think if you hold a good amount of Neo, keep it till like the year 2020, you will be good. Yes.
All right. Last currency we talk about is Mothership. Yeah, you made the top 10 for 2018. The Mothership of one of them. You're still very bullish on the Mothership.
Yes, really. The Mothership, they are building an exchange. They use the MSP token. And what I really like about this one is that they have a good plan on how to build this exchange. The alpha version is coming around, I think, next week already. I'm also selected as one of the alpha testers. So there are 30 people that can already test the exchange for the first time. And they are really making a lot of progress. I also know the guy, his name is Dylan Damsma. He's actually
a friend of yours.
Yes, a friend of me. Yeah, he's a Dutch guy, and he moved to Estonia. He's living half of the time in Estonia now, and he is
in the woods.
Yes, and he's working on the exchange, and he's doing great job there. So yeah.
Maybe short, what does Mothership do actually?
Yes, they aim to be a cryptocurrency exchange that is not only processing cryptocurrencies but also fiat money, so euros and US dollars, for example. And they also applied for a banking license. A license to become a financial institution. Mm-hmm. So that's
part of the EU, so they're part of EU law.
Yes, and the law is actually very favorable to them. So because also they are an Estonia-based company, so that exchange will definitely go somewhere. You also see it with the other exchange tokens. They start at a couple of cents, and they get more valuable if the exchange starts to make money from trading fees.
Yeah, the KuCoin shares, but I also invested in Dotcoin, but didn't make it.
Also, Binance token, for example, they also have it, and the KuCoin shares. Yeah, so it's a little bit same idea. Yes.
Sounds good. So, last question: what events are you present for Seal the next months, weeks?
Yes, what's maybe really nice to say is that we won the startup pitch competition in Amsterdam from the Block Show, and now there's the big Block Show Europe. It's at the end of May, I think the 28th and 29th of May, and we will also be there presenting and pitching again. Ah, cool! You're also there again. We meet again there, and maybe do another interview. And I'm also, for example, the 16th and 17th of May, I will be in Monaco, which is a really cool place. I will be joining a panel discussion. It's the first big blockchain show in Monaco, so I expect a lot of exposure also there.
So Albert, if you're watching, invest in those Seal tokens, man. Come on.
Yes, definitely invest in the Seal tokens. We have our ICO now, so time to join.
We will send this to Prince Albert, so maybe you will be all right.
Participate. He will like Seal, I think. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, Joël, and have a nice day.
Yes. Thanks.